What's going on, guys? Nick here with another install guide. My boy Coy behind the camera. We've got the Kawasaki Ridge here. This is the crew cab, guys. Side steps and Nerf bars. Very easy install. You want to protect those plastics, protect those beautiful doors. Invest in some Nerf bar side steps. Strongest on the market by far. We're going to jump right into the hardware, guys. Very simple. Your favorite impact, 3/8 drive. We use Milwaukee. Use what you want. This bit is a K-bit, K for Kawasaki, all right? A little bit of drilling, very simple though, we'll go through that. You got a 1/2-inch socket and you've got a 10 mil socket, okay? Of course, we're gonna send you a little hardware baggie. It may not be red, may be clear, and it may say Kawasaki Ridge hardware most likely, but you'll get your hardware as well, guys. We're gonna jump right into it, let's go.
Okay, so before putting on your step, you're gonna wanna remove some OEM hardware here. So it's gonna be the first bolt, it's gonna be the second bolt, the fourth bolt, and the 7th bolt. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that now. Okay, once you've removed your factory mounting hardware, you're gonna go ahead and take your K drill bit and open up those holes just a little. Okay, in your hardware bag you will receive 8 of these bolts and washers. So you will need to put it in just like that. So of course, washer on the inside, bolt on the top end. That way you can go ahead and screw it in. These are self-tapping. They will go into your frame. They will not extrude past your frame where it'll hit the gas tank on the driver's side and everything like that, so you don't need to worry about that. Talk. Okay, now with the help of a friend, you're gonna need to lift up the side step. It is fairly heavy, so you're going to want to bring it in, and just with your mounting hardware, go ahead and get it started. Okay, while installing these, you're going to want to leave it loose. That way you have a little bit of play to put all of them in. Once you have all of your hardware in, you're going to go ahead and cinch it all down.
All right, guys, pretty simple install. I think Coy would agree with me that it only takes about 10-15 minutes. Very simple. Just take your time. Again, guys, these are heavy duty. These are ranch armor. These aren't just some little plate steps, guys. You've got a main bar here that is almost a 3/16 wall. Very heavy duty. Allows you to get in much easier. Step in, step out. I'm 6'3". You don't have to worry. Your plastics are protected, guys. Great investment and a great look for your vehicle. Thanks for watching.